Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission at Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I'm just gonna provide you a quick reminder about the mega offer which is going on for the CSR UGC NET Unacademy Plus subscription. And guys, this mega offer is valid till 31st October. So if you want to get it, you want to grab it, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription before or till 31st October. As per this offer, if you will be taking the 6-month subscription, you will get the 1 month free. If you will be taking the 24-month subscription, you will be getting the 3 months free. And how you can get this offer, or how you can get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So let me just tell you what you have to do. You can download the Unacademy learning app. Then you can select your goal, for example CSR UGC NET, like it has been shown here. After that, just proceed further, select the duration for which you want to take the subscription, for example 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or 24 months. After selecting it, you will get a place to write the referral code. When you will be writing this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. But if you will be taking the subscription for 6 months or 24 months till 31st October, you will even get this offer along with the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So if you will be taking the 6-month subscription, you will get the 1 month free. If you will be taking the 24-month subscription, you will be getting the 3 months free. And this is how, guys, you can get this offer along with the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount by taking the Unacademy Plus subscription. And I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you guys. But in case if you will have any doubt anywhere, you can surely tell me about it. And since even right now, if anybody is taking the Unacademy Plus subscription and they want to start attending the sessions of the new courses, or even if they are finding any of the previous courses sessions beneficial for themselves, so in that case the recordings of the sessions will be available to them, and that's how they will be able to prepare very well with all those classes as well. The recordings which will be available to them, they can check them out, and if even they will have any doubt anywhere, they can ask about their doubts in the doubt clearing session. And this is how they will be getting everything clearly and they will not have any doubt. And guys, I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. In case if you will have any questions or any queries or anything you want to ask, you can let me know about it. Even if your friends want to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, because after that they will be able to join the well structured and well planned courses by the top educators, and they can take their preparation to the next level. So in that case, guys, you can even share this video with them and you can let them know about the referral code, because by using and by applying the referral code Anjali Arora, as it has been mentioned here on the screen, simply you need to write it, apply it. At the same time, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So you can share this information with them too. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end, and the offer information I have already provided you. So yeah, you can check it out too. Thank you everyone for joining this session. Thank you.